Hello, dear students. Myself, Dr. A.P. Goswami, Associate Professor and Head of Biology Department of Matusri Virbaima Mahila Science and Home Science College, Rajkot. This college is affiliated to Saurashtra University, Rajkot. In BSc Semester 1, Zoology subject, practical number 4, episode 9. In this episode, we will learn the classification of Echinodermata phylum. We can classify the animals with this chart. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Metazoa, division Eumetazoa, subdivision Triploblastic, group Coelomate, and phylum Echinodermata. So this is the chart, and you are very much familiar with this chart. You have already classified all the phylums up to Protozoa, from Protozoa to Mollusca. And this is the next classification chart of phylum Echinodermata. Now, these are the specimens in our laboratory, the Echinodermata phylum specimens like starfish, brittle star, sea urchin, sea cucumber, feather star or sea lily. The classes of Echinodermata. The specimens also for identification, it is very easy. Clear? And this is the movement of starfish, brittle star, sea urchin, sea cucumber, and sea lily or feather star. Now the classes of Echinodermata phylum. The class Asteroidea, Ophiuroidea, Echinoidea, Holothuriidea, and Crinoidea. And the respective examples: starfish, brittle star, sea urchin, sea cucumber, and feather star. These are the also we can say the specimens. Starfish, movement. Now the classification of starfish according to chart: kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Metazoa, division Eumetazoa, subdivision Triploblastic, group Coelomate, phylum Echinodermata. Subphylum not necessary, but it is Eleutherozoa. Class Asteroidea and example starfish. Subphylum not necessary for practicals up to this level. All the examples will same up to phylum. Class will change. This is the starfish specimen. You can easily identify. This is also a starfish. The movement of the specimen, starfish, for identification. This is also another starfish specimen. Now the brittle star, second example. Classification will be same up to phylum, subphylum level. Class only change. Ophiuroidea, example brittle star. This is the brittle star. You can easily identify brittle star. It's very easy. This is also a brittle star. You can. Now the third, sea urchin, Sagargota we can say. Classification will remain same. Class will change. Echinoidea, example sea urchin. This is the sea urchin specimen. Very easy to identify. This is also a sea urchin. Now the fourth class, sea cucumber, example. Class Holothuriidea, example sea cucumber. Classification will remain same. This is the sea cucumber. This is the movement. See cucumber. Fifth and last example, feather star or sea lily. We can say the Pichatara in Gujarati. Classification will remain same. Class will change. Crinoidea. Example, feather star or sea lily. And this is the example. Feather star movement you can see. This is also a feather star. Now the regions of classification steps or taxa will remain same. All phylums. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Metazoa, division Eumetazoa. Regions also same. Subdivision Triploblastic, group Coelomate. Yeah. Now the general characters or features of Echinodermata phylum. They are the animals are exclusively marine, non-microscopic, spiny skilled animals. Organ system grade of body organization, triploblastic, coelomate and radially symmetrical, often pentamerous. Regeneration of lost part is the peculiarity of this phylum. આમાં સંજીવન શક્તિ જેને કહેવાય, જે પાર્ટ્સ તૂટી જાય ગુમાવે એ નવો બનાવી લે, જેમ ગરોળી પૂંછડી તૂટી જાય ને બનાવી લે એના જેવું. આપણે નખ તૂટી જાય નખ ઉગે છે, વાળ કાપી છે વાળ ઉગે છે, બરાબર. These are the regeneration. Body unsegmented with globular star like spherical, discoidal or elongated. Distinct head and segmentation absent. Body divided into oral aboral surface. અહીંયા oral and aboral surface આવશે, dorsal ventral નહીં. Peculiar water vascular system. આ એનું peculiar character છે. દરેક ફાઇલમના આવા એક એક peculiar character ગોતી લેવાના જે એમાં જ હોય, બીજામાં ના હોય. સિસ્ટમ ઇન્ક્લુડિંગ ટ્યુબ ફીટ ફોર લોકોમોશન અને પ્રચલન માટે ટ્યુબ ફીટ, નાલી પગ જેને કહેવાય, નલિકામય પગ, પગો બહુવચન છે, ફીટ. એલિમેન્ટરી કેનાલ સ્ટ્રેઇટ ઓર કોઇલ્ડ. નો એક્સક્રીટરી ઓર્ગન્સ, સેક્સિસ યુઝ્યુઅલી સેપરેટ, ફર્ટિલાઇઝેશન એક્સટર્નલ, બાહ્ય ફલન, development indirect through free swimming larval forms. Starfish first class, Asteroidea, commonly called starfish or sea star. Body star shape, central disc and arms not sharply demarcated. Example, starfish. Astropecten is a large starfish commonly found in sea below tide line to great depth. They inhabit sandy bottom where they can burrow, commonly called a starfish. Body star shape consisting of flattened 5-pointed central disc with 5 short flexible triangular arms with tapering tips. Oral and aboral surface are distinctly marked. Body is covered by soft transparent skin through which skeleton could be seen. Oral surface contains centrally placed mouth which communicate with 5 broadly open ambulacral grooves having double row of tube feet. Oral surface ની અંદર માઉથ આવેલું હોય અને ડબલ રો રોડની અંદર ambulacral grooves માં tube feet આવેલા. Mouth very widely distensible, which can swallow bivalve mollusks, snails and crustacean very easily. Inframarginal plates are elongated and meet the ambulacral to form the oral surface of the arms. Arms distinctly mark off from the central disc but do not contain prolongation of either the perivasal coelom or the gut. Aboral surface has madreporite in one of the interradii. Skin soft, somewhat transparent. Internal skeleton is seen from outside. Aboral surface contains blunt spine, finger-like dermal branchi, pedicellary. In some forms, spines are absent. Sexes are separate. Development include brachiolaria larva. Second class of Uroidea, commonly called as brittle star. Central disc and arms are sharply demarcated. Example, brittle star. Ophiocoma, next is comments. Ophiocoma or brittle star commonly found in shallow water, commonly called as brittle star. Body consists small rounded central disc and 5 long slender tapering arms which are inserted on the under surface of the disc. Central disc and arms are quite distinct. Arms are distinctly marked off from the central disc, do not have prolongation of perivisceral xylem and alimentation. Oral and aboral surface are distinctly marked. Oral surface has leathery skin. Anus and pedicellary absent. This is the brittle star. Oral surface has central pentagonal mouth, opening and indistinct interradial oral madreporoid, ambulacral grooves covered. There are 10 elongated slits, 2 on either side of the base of each arm, called as genital bursa, in which gonoduct open. 3 rows of pointed spine are boron like lateral plates. Single row of short tube feet projects on each side between lower and lateral plates. Ossicles of arms are articulating. આની અંદર જે કેરેક્ટર્સ છે થિયોરિટિકલ બધા જ આપ્યા છે, પણ તમારે એમાંથી 4-5 જે તમને યાદ રહે એ તમારે યાદ રાખવાના, સહેલા લાગે, ઇઝી લાગે, બરાબર. Third class, it is Echinoidea, commonly called as sea urchin and sand dollars. Body disc shape, egg shape or heart shape. Sea urchin, example. Echinus is a benthic animal occurring from intertidal zone to depth of 5,000 meter. Commonly called as sea urchin. Body is spherical and brownish, differentiated into flat oral and dome aboral surface on vertical oral aboral axis. Body is enclosed in rigid globular test or corona, which is composed of calcareous regularly interlocks to form test. Entire surface except peristome and periprop covered by movable articulated spines to the test. Pedicellary and sphaeridia, offensive and defensive organs, are found between movable articulated spines. The oral surface contains mouth, from where jaw apparatus or Aristotle lantern. જડબા માટેનું જે સાધન સ્પેસિફિક આવેલું જો એપરેટસ કહેવાય, જડબાનું કામ કરે, અથવા એને એરિસ્ટોટલ લેન્ટર્ન પર કહે, ઓર મેસ્ટિકેટરી એપરેટસ, ચાવવા માટેની રચના એપરેટસ સાધન. પ્રોટ્રુડિસ ઇન્ટરનલી. Here we can see the Aristotle lantern. Mouth surrounded by lip or peristome. Inside of peristome contains calcareous ossicles and buccal tube, and on outer edge of peristome are 10 branching gills. Test is distinguished into ambulacral and interambulacral zones. Water vascular system is well developed. Ambulacral groove closed. Test bears numerous spines and row of tube feet in ambulacral area. Dry test contain ocular plates, anus, genital plate, madreporoid plate, and double row of podia. Madreporoid and gonophores are present near anus and aboral in position. Tube feet end in suckers and form 5 double meridional rows. Fourth class, Holothuroidea, commonly called sea cucumber. Body elongated on oral aboral axis with anterior mouth. Skeleton of microscopic plate embedded in body wall. Digestive system S shape, you have to remember. Respiration by respiratory tree. Example, sea cucumber. Now the comments on sea cucumber. Holothuridia is found near sea coast, commonly called as sea cucumber. Body is elongated along the oral and aboral axis horizontally. Oral end has large mouth surrounded by a tactile buccal tentacles for collecting food. Madreporite is internal, Polian vesicle, one to many. Water vascular system well developed. Tube feet contain suckers and are present in rows. Body divided into ambulacral and interambulacral area. Demomuscular body wall is embedded with small calcareous ossicles, pedicellary or spine sepsons. Respiratory tree and cuvier's tubes are present internally. Ambulacral grooves are covered and run longitudinally. Sex is separate. Development includes auricularia larva, which develops into doliolaria before metamorphosis into adult. And last class Crinoidea, commonly called sea lily. Body attached during part or whole of life by an aboral disc. Body consists of cup-like calyx and cylindrical arms. Tube feet, madreporite and pedicellaria absent. Example, feather star or sea lily. The comments on feather star Antedon is marine and occurs about 2 fathom deep. Remains attached to rocks by cirri from central disc. 1 fathom equivalent 6 feet. Fathom છે દરિયાનું ઊંડાઈ માપવા માટેનો એકમ છે. Commonly called as sea lily or feather star. On the aboral side, calyx bears knob-like structure called as centrodorsal plates or stalks. Calyx is differentiated into an upper convex oral surface having mouth and anus and the lower flat aboral surface into which arms and cirri are inserted. The oral surface is covered by leathery skin in which numerous calcareous plates are embedded. It is collected upwards. Mouth is surrounded by sensory tube feet or podia which are without suckers. Mouth is central and directed upwards which leads into 5 food open grooves or ambulacral grooves which divided into 10 as they reach near the edge and lead into the arms. Ambulacral grooves give branches into each pinule and throughout their course contain finger-like non-prehensile tube feet or podia. Water vascular system is well developed. There is no madreporite. There are 10 arms having extensions of viscera and each bears numerous pinules containing gonads. Cirri are emerging from aboral surface and are composed of skeletal ossicles. Sea lily attached to substratum by cirri. Anus on aboral surface. Sexes are separate. Development includes cystidian and pentacrinoid larva. I hope that you understand Echinodermata phylum classification. We have to only explain the characters. Clear? So thank you and all the best.